final electoral roll jong Meghalaya nagabantau snam arja arpusan kalakdo bakadon gajing kiu da arpakanda hajar khat laingot kinong tap vote naka draft electoral roll kabala wan lam ya gajing don kinong tap vote barok kabalong arpu arlak hendre pukanda hajar san spa khat arngot kini ki kan thop khat wailak khat pra hajar khandai spa nyongot ki kan thai bat khat wailak san paw hajar san spa khandai pukanda ngot ki sinrang lam nriu ngot ki third gender Chief Electoral Officer CEO Dr. BDR Tiwari ulapan pena balapendap ya special summary revision ringkat kasitarik kala lengkat arja arpusan kum ke qualifying date. Ya kan gajing kenjing dia la shem ban pentikena ya gajing don ginong tap vote ha ka jalla. Na padang ginong tap vote pathamai ki badon nyo pu arjar khandai spa sau puingon ha padang karta khat pra bat khat khandai snam ki don ru shipo hajar lai spa khandai po prangot ki nong song snong ki bala palat prapusan snam karta bat khat we hajar khandai span ru pongon ki badon jingduna ha gi khotman.
As we are aware, this schedule of special summary revision of electoral roll with respect to the qualifying date of 1st January 2025, that process has been completed and the roll has been published today on 6th of January 2025. So this is ongoing process and presently there are 4 qualifying dates in a year, that is 1st January, 1st April, 1st July and 1st October. So we have conducted a special summary revision of electoral roll for 2025 and it happens in the 2 stages. Those are the pre-revision activities and revision activities. In pre-revision activities we have house-to-house verification, rationalization and rearrangement of polling station, removal of discrepancies in the electoral roll and EPIC, and improvement quality of photographs wherever necessary. So this entire exercise started from 20th of August 2024 and ended by 18th October 2024. And preparation of integrated draft roll with reference to the 1st January 2025 as qualifying date. So that has been taken up by 28th this October 2024 and as part of the revision activities, publication of integrated draft electoral roll took place on the 29th October and as per the schedule the period for filing claims and objections were from 29th October till 28th November 2024 and in which there were the special campaign dates on 15th and 16th November and 21st and 26th November. So the disposal of claims and objections took place by till 24th of December 2024 and final publication happened today on 6th January 2025. 22,40,499 total electors, out of which male electors 11,05,244 and female electors 11,35,250 and transgender 5. And after publication of the draft final roll, now we are having 22,69,512 voters altogether, out of which 11,18,907 male voters, 11,50,599 female voters and 6 third gender voters, total 22,69,512. We have 100% EPIC coverage. EP ratio as on today is 645. Electors gender ratio is 1028. New electors in between age of 18 and 19 years are 72,941. Senior citizens of 85 years plus year A's are 10,398 and total PWD electors 11,960. So we have presently 3,551 polling stations after the rationalization, because during the Lok Sabha election we had 3,512 polling stations. So 39 more polling stations. So during this process, we received total Form 6 are 48,121, and out of which 46,109 were accepted. Similarly, Form 7 we received 18,577 and 17,096 accepted. And we see the deletion due to death were 8,936, due to shifting 7,775, and due to duplicate entries 385. So far Form 8 is concerned related to the corrections. So we received total 32,500 forms and 31,372 were accepted and needful actions were ensured. So this is the outcome of our special summary revision activities. Basically, if you want to say the new type of the epics. So once whoever has applied and then process has taken up, so accordingly they had applied and needful measures has been ensured. So duplicate entries, the deletion is the 385. So during this SSR activities and time to time it is an ongoing process, so we take necessary measure at the time of. Basically that voter list has been separately prepared from the District Council Affairs Department, so Election Department is not concerned with that. So total deletions are there, 17,096 forms were accepted for the deletion, Form 7. Basically it is a main affair of the District Council Affairs Department. Only once they ask for the share of the voter list, so with the permission of Honorable Election Commission of India, this voter list has been shared. Field level, the same DC and they are working as election functionaries also, and they are the ROs and other functionaries in the, as per the District Council Affairs are concerned. But as per the election department side, that is total separate affair, and that is mandated to the District Council Affairs Department.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.